some of this stuff, like the techs, tape the crap out of it. And so I have to pull the tape off. This is as boring as this looks. It's probably the most important part of the day for me, because if I get this right the first time, the rest of my day is going to go really easy and I don't have to worry about this. It gets done early enough in the morning so that when I roll my rig out, all I got to do is concentrate on making sure my rig is 100%, not making sure that my RF is working. Got a lot of clones for this mix. I got 4 background singers, and they're all monitoring off of one IEM mix. And so those guys, they get 4 clone packs. Hey Dave.
What's happening, hot stuff?
It's my friend Dave Huskins.
Hey Dave.
Yeah, there. We've known each other for, how long have we known each other now? 14 years? 15?
Yeah, you'd be embarrassed to count it, wouldn't you?
14, 15 years. Yep. Came up mixing the same bands in the clubs. I was mixing them, he was lighting them. Good times, good times. The Guffs from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Hey, how did you go see them?
I did. I saw them. They had finished their show at the Harley stage and they were all hanging out.
Did you tell them I miss them?
Yeah. I got hugs and kisses from everyone, and the wives are hot.
Right on.
Yep.
Okay. For Justin, I make him wear this little belt, and this little belt's got his IEM pack. It's been modded. This little piece here has been cut out a little bit. So I'm pretty much done with all my RF now. And I've got this little gizmo here. It's Justin's belt. All his RF goes into this thingy, and he wears it, and it's been working out really well, because what we're doing for the show is we're just keeping these belt packs on the whole time. He goes between a handheld microphone to his headset microphone. This pack stays on. The only thing they do is they, pull the headset mic on and off, instead of like stripping the whole pack off and then putting the whole pack on. It's a pain in the ass during the show. So now the only thing that they really have to do is just drop the cable, plug it right in, and then Little Fighter can run out there and do his show.
Little Fire?
Little Fighter.
Oh.
Little Fighter. Here's Justin's headset mic, and it's been modified a little bit. This piece of wire right here, I cut about almost 3 inches of wire off of it because Justin's head's a little bit smaller than an adult's, and then I beefed up the back end so that this thing wasn't riding around like this. He's doing a lot of dancing, so this thing needs to fit tight on his head, because you wouldn't want the artist always, while he's doing his dance moves, holding onto his headset. Go for Toni.
Parts for the bell stacks came in, the buttons and springs.
Awesome. Because while I was reprogramming this rack, I lost another one.
Nice.
Yeah. We got it on video, which is even funnier.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are bad. But you guys
I like Sennheiser. I have a lot of friends at Sennheiser. I'm just saying that if you're going to build something for us to use, make it indestructible. Because we will find a way to break it. Okay. All of this is done. I don't know how long it took, but I'm going to assume it was probably less than, if we time this whole thing out, it's probably less than 40 minutes to do all of this.
Oh, easily.
Okay.
Brother?
So, I got the RF rack programmed and I walked all my IEM stuff, and all my IEM stuff is solid on the stage. And we're going to talk a little bit about wargaming microphones and working on intermods. I got everything on. I'm transmitting on my IEM channels, and what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start turning things off so that I can see how much hash is here, right? Now, if this thing turns completely off, that's a sign of a good coordination. I don't have any intermods that have a chance to step on this frequency. I'm going to turn that one back on. I got the guest mic here, which shows up here. I turned that one off, and that one looks pretty good. I got a little bit of hash down here. This is probably going to be one of 2 channels that are going to do this, and for me, that's acceptable. I'm going to look at one of the background vocals next. That one looks really clean with everything on. I'm going to look at another background vocal. That looks really clean. I'm going to look at another background vocal. That looks really clean. I'm going to look at another one. That one is stupid clean. I'm going to look at a JB pack. This is Justin's headset mic. That's really clean. I'm going to look at Justin's handheld. And that one, for some reason, isn't playing nice. It's still seeing something. 473, 375. And maybe what has happened is by doing this check like this, now I know that something is on here that shouldn't be there. And that makes me look at it so that I can try and fix what's going on. And I hear some stuff, so let's go ahead and cue this up and see if maybe the guitar techs didn't program their RF, but now I got to get into troubleshoot mode. Find out what the heck that is. Okay, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my spare frequency. I got spare frequencies assigned, and so this is an instance where I'm going to want to use that information. It's G1 473375 493 503 499. Okay, 493, got that. 499, I got that. 503, I got that. 479, 875.